Hello and welcome to the 8th week of the Dividend Portfolio Update series. This week was very interesting. My portfolio was up to over $700 after the market gained, but on Friday it was down really bad. However, before we get into the portfolio, make sure to like and subscribe as only 82% of you are subscribed. So please help support the channel on this journey. As we can see, the portfolio is currently under $700 and is at $695. Friday alone made me lose most of my gains from the week. Also, I had to do some adjustments to my holdings. Currently SCHD and VU are 27.2% of my portfolio and both add up to 54.4% of my entire portfolio after I sold O. I have not bought another stock to replace O. My yearly dividend income is currently $13.95, so it's growing great and is almost $14, but by next week it should be around there. Let's take a look at the holdings. The holdings are pretty much the same, but I currently have 2.5 SCHD shares, so that position is growing and I'm very close to 3 shares. I also have close to 0.5 shares of VU, and by next week's video I should hopefully have 0.5, but probably in the next 2 weeks I will reach that goal. So I'll keep you updated on that. I made my second contribution of September on 9/11. Rest in peace to those that lost their lives on that day. I hardly bought many stocks this week and bought 4 stocks. I also dripped some dividends into the portfolio. I received my JNJ and cost dividends and I used the dividends to buy some stocks. I bought VU, SCHD, V, and cost for this week. Like I mentioned, it was a rough day for stocks. Without this massive downturn in the market, the portfolio would have done alright. My portfolio is down 1.16% for the day and 0.61% for the week. SPY was down 1.50% for the day and 0.43% for the week. So I did better on the one day but not on the 1 week. The only stock that did well on the 1 day and week was UNH. Everything else was very bad. JPM did well on the 1 week and was up 3.46%. The rest of my stocks did either very bad or were up slightly, except for UNH that was up 1.23%. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.